First we disconnect the plumbing from underneath.
¿El qué?
El gel, ¿no? Taladro.
Oh, no.
¿No le quitar el zinc?
¿Ah?
¿No le quitar el zinc?
Sí, ya te lo voy a quitar.
So he has removed the sink from the other side. He's opening the screw from underneath the sink so that he can remove the sink. The sink just came out. He just removed a few screws. He just removed a few screws and the sink came out. Then he's going to remove the laminate seat. Instead of the laminate seat, we'll just remove the laminate seat.
Tiene un tornillo todavía. ¿Sí?
So he has removed the laminate sheet from top, and underneath is the wooden plywood support.
Luego, ¿cuándo está? Quita ya todo.
Now the plywood sheet, which was supporting the laminate, has been removed, and you can see that these are just my He said because the granite is very thick, you don't need plywood. Okay, So he's not going to put any plywood, he will just put the granite directly on top here. Outside the house, he has put some sawhorses and put his granite on top, and he is making marks, making a line so that he can cut them, and he's going to cut the granite slab. Granite slab. Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. So he said he's going to, from this slab, he's going to cut small pieces like this one here for the backsplash. And he will make a hole for the tub with his angle grinder. With his angle grinder, he will make a hole for the tub. And this granite will go directly on top of the countertop without any plywood underneath. He's cutting the granite with his tool, with his saw, rotary saw. He has just made these two holes in the granite. 2 holes he has made for the sink. For the sink. He has made these 2 holes in the granite for the sink. He's cutting the granite over here. With the grinder, he's grinding. With the grinder, he's grinding the edges. Make them smooth. This is the sink he will install in the countertop. The holes will be made in the granite for the faucet to go through. Okay? So in the granite he will make holes for the faucets to pass through, and the sink already has hole pre-made. So he is polishing. With the grinder, he's polishing the hole that he made, and this guy is doing the same thing. He's polishing all the sides, making them round. At the corner, here the corner, he's making the corners round. He has this paint thinner. It says mineral spirits. He's using it to clean the granite. He just poured some on the cloth, And then with that he's wiping out. He's wiping the surface. And then he will glue them. And here is he also uses this caulk. See, along 250 silicone sealant. He will also use this sealant to basically attach these pieces to the wall and also to one another. He has a screwdriver. He's putting screws in the small wooden pieces. So small wooden piece that you see, he is putting support underneath the granite. Okay, and see how this guy he's doing. He has all this caulk, and he's putting a caulk. He's putting a caulk. All right. Yeah. He spread the caulk, and then he just flattened it, and then the extra he's just collecting. So this is. See how here. He put a clamp. He put a clamp so that the support underneath can be screwed. Did you remove this one?
Yeah, it's right there.
But you will put it, right?
Yeah, we'll put it.
Okay. This is the bathroom upstairs, and my contractor says that it's complete. You can see the caulk on all sides, the white thing you see, the caulk. And this one he has put a sink, and he has made 3 holes in the granite, and he has put support underneath, and so he says it's complete. Hello, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.